Welcome to the overview of Brightspace courses for Mr. Panning's classes. The top bar will show you links to the key elements of the course. Let's go through the main page. The main page consists of any updates, chiclets on each unit, and we'll go over those in a minute, as well as a summary of all of the overdue work for all of your Brightspace courses. Let's look at the unit items in more detail. Each unit icon will show you the name of the unit as well as your progress towards the completion of all tasks in the unit. If you click on the little eye in the corner, you get quick information on the unit. Click on the icon to see all the resources, information, and projects in the unit itself. If you click on an assignment, you will see a quick summary of the assignment and resources available, as well as the ability to submit into the assignment your link or file as required. Let's look at the assignment page. The assignment page will show you all of the assignments are due, their due date, whether you submitted them or not, and then the eventual grade once they are completed. All assignments are graded using the Peel Anchor Mark system, where you have a grade of 1, 2, 3, or 4, depending on where you are in the mark scale. Note that when you submit an assignment, you will receive a grade of R, which means received. That's it for the Brightspace overview. Contact me with any questions that you might have.